So now we know enough about quadratics that we can talk about them and compare them with relatively little information. In this first example, we're going to compare f of x as drawn with g of x. G of x has a vertex at -1, 2, and an intercept at 0, 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the vertex of g of x at -1, 2. Right here, I hope. -1, 2. That's the vertex. We know this is it either goes up from here or it goes down from here. We're going to use the intercept to decide what it does. The intercept at 0, 3 is right here. So now I know that since that's the vertex and that's where it turns, that this parabola does something like this, and I have enough to compare. So now I'm looking at which one has the greater minimum. The higher minimum is right here at f of x. F of x has a higher minimum, has a greater minimum than g of x. So for this particular example, f of x has the greater minimum. The other type of example we saw was this one, where we're comparing f of x as drawn to g of x given by a table. So again, I'm going to plot g of x. I'm going to plot -1, 0. I'm going to plot 0, 1. I'm going to plot 1, 0. I'm going to plot 2, -3. I'm going to plot 3, -8. So now I know enough about parabolas and what they do that I can draw this one somewhat close to what it looks like. I've got an idea of what it looks like. I've got an idea of how the maximums occur. This one has a higher maximum. This one has a lesser maximum. It wants to know which one has the lesser maximum. So in this one, the lesser maximum is the red one. It is g of x.